morning, guys. This is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less, and I have a very easy DIY for you today. It's going to be quick and easy. If this is your first time to my channel, thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate you choosing to watch this video, and I hope that you'll like it. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you truly like it, share with your family and friends. I thank you guys so much for your support and for joining me today on this quick DIY. I know that you guys have seen this in your Dollar Tree. Now, I've seen it and loved it, wanted to do something with it, but you know, I've seen a few different ideas on YouTube with it, and they're great ideas. But I've always wanted to do something that is out of the norm, which I love the way that it looks like it's broken, but it's not. What can I do with that? That doesn't take away from the glass, but just enhance it. So that's what I'd like for us to achieve today. So let's get started. The first thing you will need is your 2 glasses and some beads. I'm gonna go with the clear ones only because the glass is clear, and like I said, I just want to enhance it. I don't want to take away from it. At this point, I'm just making sure that they're going on evenly all the way around. Lay your glue down and make sure you put a generous amount on it, because you need to embed your beads onto the glue. And also, if you add a generous amount, you leave room for you to be able to fix it if you need to go and pull it back or push it in, whatever it is you need to do to fix it. I've said this before, guys, and I will repeat that. If you have a free Saturday morning, I suggest that you run out, check out some yard sales, because you can always find unique beads. You can find things that you may not find at the Dollar Tree for even less money. These beads I did pick up at a yard sale. So I do like going to yard sales. And I like to go on Fridays because there isn't a lot of people, but Saturdays is good as well. So guys, it will look like this. I'm going to go ahead and do the other one, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. I love. Very cute. So I'm going to place those aside, and I will need 2 fish bowls. Make sure they are washed, polished up. Make sure they are really clean so you can see through it. This is all about the clarity. Now we're going to do the same thing, but instead of the top of the glass, we're going to do it just around the trim, around the edge. I hope I mentioned you are going to need glue. I just ran out of glue sticks. So you will need your glue and your glue gun for this project, definitely. Lay your glue down and just go all the way around the trim. Guys, did you notice that there is no diamond wrap in this project? See, I can live without diamond wrap. I can survive. Because I'm a survivor. Alright guys, so this is what it's going to look like. And I'm going to do that all the way around and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so I've got the 2 bottles ready to go. And you will need, I believe they have a bottle not as tall but similar at the Dollar Tree. I love these because of the slenderness of it and the tallness of it. So I'm going with that. Then these little tea lights, they're at the Dollar Tree and they are 2 for $1. I'm thinking I want to incorporate these on top. Just like that. And those in itself is beautiful. Guys, I love that. That would make a really cute candle holder as well. Look at that. I'm not going to stop here, but didn't notice that. That's very cute. That's another DIY. You've got 2 within 1. Laugh out loud, yes. Okay, so let's move on. I need to add glue. Guys, so this is the finished. Now we have to work on the fish bowls. We're going to take this cylinder, this little candle holder, and add our glue to the bottom of it. Make sure you've got a generous amount on there. And try your best to center it. Now the beads does help with that because it hangs out. So I love that. Okay. Okay, let's get the other one done. Alright, so I'm going to let that dry, then I'm going to glue them both up here and come back and let you see. Okay, quick recap. For this project, you need 2 candle holders or a cylinder, just the bottle. You can pick that up at the Dollar Tree. You will need some beads if you desire. You could use diamond wrap if that's what you have. You can use diamond wrap or beads. Also, you'll need 2 of the Dollar Tree candle holders, the crackled ones, and 2 of the fish bowl glass fish bowl. So 2 cylinders or candle holders, 2 of the candle holders, the one that comes 2 in a pack, 2 of the crackle candle holders, and 2 of the fish bowls. You can use diamond wrap or pearls. And guys, I love the way this looks. I'm going to put it somewhere so you can see it, and I'll be back. Guys, this is how it turned out. I love the way it looks. Thank you so much. I think it would be perfect for a wedding, bridal shower. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. I hope you do too. Give me a thumbs up, and I hope you'll share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think. I love to hear from you. All right, guys, I appreciate your time, and I will see you on my next video.